Hey, how we doing? Go through another little haul here. This one was at an estate sale, and I'll just start pulling stuff out here. This stuff is all in a box, so I just grabbed the box. Then I started just putting other stuff into it. Sharpening stones, that one's a big chunk taken out of it, but these two. There's no barcode on it, so you know they're 72 or earlier. Don't know what's in here. Let's see. Whole bunch of Allen keys. All right. This was kind of a neat one here. Maytag wrench. I got to do some research, see if that's off of the gasoline powered Maytags. I don't know what that is. Little compass. See the bubble? Yep. See, it still works. There's a whole bunch of files in here. See this? Tack hammer. Little V-check. Ball peen hammer. Scraper. This is kind of neat. We got a ratcheting Inky number 251. Some reamers. A pair of scissors. Garbage. Pair of channel locks. This is Hiller Brothers. Greenfield tap and die handle, number 6. Then files for days. We've got Nicholson and Simmons in here, so we'll see what's here. Nicholson. So, got a neat little saw blade. So when I said I don't files, I mean we've got files for days. You see my last video asking how do you store them? Well, I just got some more that I need to store or get rid of. So some of these will be taken to the Blacksmith Guild meeting and I'll donate them off. There's another tap handle. This one is Ace. What else do I have in here? Reamer. Another reamer. File. Hacksaw blades. Let's get this stuff out of the way. That was my first go, then I went back. So my second go around, picked up another wooden baseball bat to make a mallet out of. Picked up, let's see, this is kind of cool. This is Bonnie. This is a jar and bottle opener. Just kind of a neat little deal. Patented date was 1932, if I remember right. Another little Maytag wrench. Here's a folding steel roll. This one will get donated to the blacksmith group because these are always nice because you don't burn them. And got an oil spout here. I haven't seen one this long with the flex holes on it, so excited to find those. So hey, thanks for watching. What's your favorite thing that you've seen? Let me know. Bye.